This is how I build an app using AI agents and get it deployed to the web using the AI agents. So what you're going to want to do is install the Vercel CLI onto your terminal, onto your system. You're going to tell your agents to use the Vercel CLI to run the Vercel deploy and then fix any and all error and warnings that might occur. We'll use grep MCP to find working code samples, and we also want it to avoid custom coding these components. To be efficient, we'll tell it use subagents in parallel to complete this. Now, it might not need to use subagents in parallel because the first thing it really needs to do is use the Vercel CLI in order to check things out, right? So what this is going to do is it's going to give the AI agent full insight into what goes wrong when you deploy, if anything at all. And then it can fix it right there and then without you having to copy and paste an error message over. The reason we're telling it to avoid custom coding components is because there's no reason for it to try to reinvent the wheel, as they say. It can just pull a working code sample from GitHub and go from there. So it's a real simple prompt. I'll show you that it works once we're done. I just want to show you right here that it is building currently. It's going through everything. Duration minute, it's been going for the last minute and a half, but I'll be back once it finishes. Okay, so the build did fail, but this is a good example because now I can show you that our AI agent is actually using the prompt that I sent to go ahead and fix things on its own, right? So here it's running 6 different task agents to do each of these different issues that it found in parallel so that we don't have to go one at a time through them. You know, normally it would do the blog pages, then the import route, then the articles, then the topics, you know, go one by one. Because we said spawn the subagents in parallel, that's what we're able to do. It chose 6 was the amount. So it's going to go through there and then it's going to try to redeploy itself to Vercel. All that ringing is at each subagent finishing up. Anyways, yeah, the build failed, but it makes for a better video for you guys. All right, so we just had a successful deploy. See here, it went through, fixed all the errors, did any updates that were needed. Boom. Now our web app website is live. So yeah, there we go. A nice successful deploy. You can see we can click around. Everything works. It is what it is, right? I hope you found some value in this video. I know it wasn't the most comprehensive tutorial on the planet. Still trying to get the flow of things, how I can best document it to show you guys. There maybe were a few things that I want to clear up. So Vercel is a different platform. It's made by the makers of Node.js, and it's basically a hosting platform. So you can go and just Google, how do I install the Vercel CLI, Vercel is how you spell Vercel. I'll put a link in the description, and you're just going to get that installed. And then your AI agents are going to be able to deploy and troubleshoot your deployments for you. So really, that's the gist of the video. I'm just showing kind of what I tell the AI agents to do once I have that installed. And then as far as grep MCP, that's a free MCP. You can do a Google search as well. It's a simple command that you just copy and paste in your terminal, IDE, whatever you're using. So yeah, this has been Nolan. I'm still getting better, I guess, at showing these tech tutorials. It's a new thing to film the builds that I'm doing. And thank you for bearing along with me. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you found some value. There's some links in the description as always that will be able to help you. And leave some comments for what else you want to see, because I'm not sure what else to provide. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Peace.